Want to add custom fonts to your videos in CapCut? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to add fonts to the CapCut app. Now let's get started. You can download your font files from wherever you'd like, but if you're looking for a great free website to find downloadable fonts, check out dafont.com. I'm downloading a few different fonts I like from this site. Once you've downloaded your font files, you may need to unzip the files within your device's file management app. Once that's done, open the CapCut app. Open an existing project or start a new one. Then tap Text at the bottom. Tap Add Text. Then tap Fonts. Scroll sideways in the menu of font categories until you see My Fonts. Then tap Add. Tap My Fonts. Now find one of your downloaded font files and select the one you want to import. Then tap Open. Your font will then be imported to CapCut. Repeat this process to import each font you want to add. Then just tap a font name in your menu of fonts to use it in your project. Once you've imported fonts, the My Fonts category will appear at the front of the menu of font categories in CapCut. That's all it takes to add fonts to the CapCut app. To learn more about using CapCut, check out our full playlist of CapCut tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.